Today, I'll show you how to gift Telegram Premium. Telegram Premium can be gifted to another Telegram user as a prepaid subscription. According to Telegram, you can gift Premium for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on the options available in your app. First, open the Telegram app. Now find the person you want to send Telegram Premium to. Open your chat with that person, then tap their name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will open their profile page. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Look for the option called Gift Premium. Tap Gift Premium. Now choose how long you want the gift subscription to last. You may see options like 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Select the option you want to buy. After that, Telegram will show the price and payment options available for your account. Choose your payment method and continue. Review the purchase details carefully before confirming. Once everything looks correct, complete the payment. After the payment is successful, Telegram will send the premium gift to that user in your chat. They can then activate and enjoy Telegram Premium features, such as faster downloads, higher limits, premium stickers, and other available benefits. If you do not see the Gift Premium option, update Telegram to the latest version and check again. And that's it. You've successfully gifted Telegram Premium to another user. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.